What's going on, YouTube? Y'all ain't ready for it. Y'all ain't ready for this. I don't know if y'all can tell by the backs. They came in. Oh, excuse my water. I don't know if y'all can tell by the box. Look at that. Look at that. Ain't she pretty? I could just. Oh my god. But these. I don't want that. No more monster truck height, guys. No more. You see this? That's no bueno. But honestly, guys, my baby dirty. Oh, peep the tomato. Woo. Finally gonna install some coilovers. Got my brother over there helping me out. Shout out to my brother at C34 Leo. Look at that, look at that. See? It is time. It is time. Let me get a quick thumbnail. Damn, this shit kind of heavy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. But what is going on, you guys? This is your boy Ronaldo, aka I know I'm back at it with another video. As you can tell, I got some coilovers, some BC coilovers. And it's time for me. It is time. It's been too long. It's been over a year. And I got my babies right here. But anyways, I'm gonna install the coilovers with my brother, so I'm gonna do a little time lapse, so let that begin now. Go, 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 go.
Ooh, Josiahmadethis.
Keep that Demon Slayer shirt. Jeez. Is that 10:30? Oh, I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh, damn, look at that. Ooh. Oh, my baby. No. Oh, my baby. Yeah, it's already finished with one side. We still gotta do those. We're starting on these right now. We just finished with installing both the rears. The rear is done. Thank you, brother. Thank you, Leo. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. the results. So it used to be 3 fingers like this. Now let's see how tight this, coochie gets. The brick? Just to be on the safe side. I'm still monster truck height. Yep, 4 fingers. Yep, we did something wrong.
Yeah.
That's it. It looks the same.
You're on bricks, dumbass.
Man, boy, he thick. Look at that. Sheesh. Big buns over here.
Abort the mission.
That's still 3 fingers.
Mission failed.
What the fuck? Does it look lower? No?
What did I do wrong? Check it out.
I'm trying to be as low as this motherfucker.
Here, check it out.
I wanna be this low. Bitch. I'm still monster truck high. Alright, now that we have everything, adjusted, I think properly, we should be Gucci. Take 2. Come on, guys. Come on. Damn. Sheesh. Oh my god, compared to 4 fingers, bro. Compared to 4 fingers, oh my god, yes, baby. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Alright. Dang. Damn. Dang, son.
That's Tommy.
Oh yeah, let's check the Tommy fitment. Oh no.
What?
That's no good.
What is it?
Or should I say fuck it?
Okay. It's already fucked up anyways.
Fuck it. Damn. Oh no. You gonna break my back, bro. Oh. Damn, bro, this was very much needed. Jeez. Dude, I don't know, bro. I don't know how to hack. Dude, honestly, I feel like I'm falling in love with RPF once now. Yeah, all I have to do is close the gap. Damn. Damn. Imagine putting Junior on this bitch. Shit. I'll be scraping everywhere, bro. Damn. I hope y'all could tell. Oh my god. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. Should I go camber? Yeah. Should I go camber? Oh.
Damn!
We're gonna do the fronts, cause sheesh, we're done with the rear, so let's go ahead and do that. Ready? I want no more monster proof. Damn. Okay. Oh shit, we still on fucking brakes, bro. She coming out? Is she coming? Huh?
Should be good.
You think so?
What up?
Let her roll down? Okay. Go forward or what? Here. It's about to die. Okay. They're poking out a little bit, but not that much. You can't really tell. Oh yeah, you can. Yay! Thank you, Leo. Yeah, bro, she looking sexy. Sheesh. Sheesh. Oh, before and after. All I gotta do is just fix my fitment. Damn, my toe made really low. Ugh. I don't know if you can see my baby. Oh, sheesh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What you think about my car, babies? What you think about my car? Oh, you're gay. Sheesh. Car running smooth. Big shout out to my brother. Thank you, Leo, for helping me out put these coilovers on. My car good. Other than that, my car's good. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. This is Ronaldo, aka Unknown. I'm out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace.
Ooh, Josiah made this.
Guys, if you're watching this is at the end of the video, but damn, I can't get over how my car looks. For sure, coilovers or whenever you lower your car makes a difference. I can't get over it. I think I just fell in love with her even more, to be honest. God damn. She's looking so sexy. Hello, Charmander. Right, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, peace.